Hello, my name is Joshua Hardaway, and I'll be presenting on sustainability in construction. Now, what is sustainability? Essentially, it's built on three pillars. These three pillars are social, environmental, and economic. A rough definition of sustainability is meeting our needs today without compromising the ability for future generations to meet their own needs. And it's important for these three pillars to work together to get the best results in sustainability. These other parts right here are from other members of my group that have recorded their pieces at another time. I'm going to jump straight into synergy is sustainability. So this is touching on the fact that all of the pillars of sustainability must work together in order to get the best results. So human and social capital, what is it? It's the amount that we as humans affect the economy. Clearly, there's a direct correlation between humans and the economy, as we pretty much created it. So whenever our productivity goes up, economy does better. Next is going to be environmental capital. What's that? Almost the same as human and social capital. It's how the environment affects economy, or rather how we use the environment to affect the economy. Whenever we go green, that's going to be more economic friendly, because being more energy efficient saves energy. Saving energy saves economy. Saving energy also saves money, and saving money is better for the economy. Next, what is connection with nature? Our connection with nature is going to be how us as humans are affected by our environment. Now, you can see with the research support facility for the U.S. Department of Energy's National Renewable Energy Laboratory. It's a mouthful, but it's all there. They have a great societal connection with nature in that they use a lot of natural lighting. Their workspace has a controllable environment, and there's plenty of greenery around the building. If you want to go take your lunch break outside, they have spaces for that. They bring the outside in with the natural lighting. Next, we have the emissions and cost savings. This is another one where we can look at that laboratory. The biggest thing that they do is what they do with windows. You see, what they do is they use window placement to get the most amount of natural lighting in the building by refracting the light using the shutters and the louvers to get as much natural light into the building as possible. Also, all of the windows are triple glazed and low E rating for the maximum efficiency. And even some of the lower levels windows on the floors, they change tint, much like some eyeglasses, depending on the intensity of the sun. Also, they can use the windows as an underfloor heating and cooling system, and this building has completely eliminated the use for traditional HVAC systems. Now, upgrading sustainability, what can we do now? So take like your home, for example. What you can do is you can seal leaky air ducts, seal air leaks indoors. You can add extra insulation to the walls, into the roof, and into the attic. Another thing we can do is we can add energy efficient appliances and windows. If you get those low E rating or triple glazed, spend a little bit of money now, save a whole lot later. That saves economy, that saves money, that saves environment, and then also it makes you more comfortable in your home. Get a energy efficient thermostat, washer, dryer, dishwasher, water heater. Switch to LED lighting. It uses less electricity, saving money. Saving money makes people happy. Now moving on to our examples of the Nakagan building and Habitat 67, one thing that I do want to touch on is here at Sam Houston, Dr. Suh, he's doing a research on LEED certified buildings, and it shows that whenever a building is LEED certified, the property value around it goes up, making it better for the economy, making people want to live there more. And LEED certified buildings help the environment. So you got all three pillars right there. So the Nakagan building, I want to talk about how it started out as success. It was a social and environmental failure, but it started out as an economic success. But because of the social and economic failure being such small rooms, not really having any greenery anywhere, it led to economic failure down the line, which is a polar opposite of the Habitat 67. It started out as a social environmental success, but it was an economic failure. It came in over budget, past date, but now you have these spacious condos that people are highly sought after, $600,000 for one unit. So starting out as an economic failure turned into an economic success with the social environmental success to begin with. So you can't, if you don't have at least two strong pillars up front, you're not going to have all three strong pillars down the line. And that is where I end.